There is no other place like New York, especially during the holiday season, and Boyana Film Studios knows how to put a show. Today I'm going to experience the ultimate Christmas in New York during the season of 2023 with its sights, sounds and flavors of the city that never sleeps. The Boyana Studios, also known as Nu Boyana Film Studios, is a film studio located in Sofia, Bulgaria that has been operating since 1962. In 2005, the studio was acquired by New Image and Millennium Media, two of the longest-running independent film companies in Hollywood. They have produced hundreds of films, TV shows, commercials, and music videos. Some of the famous American movies filmed here include The Black Dahlia, The Expendables franchise, London Has Fallen, Angel Has Fallen, and many more. Many distinguished actors have worked at this location. Christmas in New York is smaller than what I imagined, but it has a lot to offer. The set includes just a few main areas, such as the ice skating rink, the food quarter, and the workshops for making Christmas toys and cards. There are also captivating spots for taking photos and a stage with shows featuring actors, skaters, and fairy tale characters. Even though there are only a few streets, they look quite different at the different times of the day. I stayed at the film studio all day and the evening was amazing. The Christmas lights added a festive and magical touch to the buildings and the trees, creating a contrast with the dark sky. I'm currently sitting in this bubble. Have a look. I'm sitting in this bubble. It's really warm. It's a great idea because the day is quite cold and Boyana Film Studios is in the skirts of the Vitusha Mountains, so the weather is a little bit more chilly over here, and it's great to have spots like this where you can go in and warm your feet and spend a few minutes in a warm spot. I was quite tempted to participate in the workshop for making toys and cards, but I looked through the window and I saw only parents with kids, and I felt awkward to go. I had no intention of eating, but the aroma of the food was so seductive that I could not resist. At least I made a healthy choice, a meatball with salad. The healthy choice was short-lived as soon as I laid my eyes on the churros. As you can see, I gave into temptation. Let's watch the skaters glide on the ice rink and then board the London bus. It's a strange sight in New York, but I will ignore the inconsistency. A long time ago, in my early 20s, I did an air hostessing job for a Bulgarian air company that no longer exists. It went on bankruptcy, but we were doing long distance flights and my favorite destination was New York. I was fascinated by the city, its energy and its diversity. That's why I'm so excited to be here today to experience this amazing place once again, even though this is not the real city. This video, my dear ones, is the last one for 2023 and I have just bought a small Baileys to say cheers and wish you all the best for the new year. So let's hope for a much better year, for more peace, love and light. Cheers!